Today I'm going to be talking about the new Moto Razr 40 Ultra and Razr 40. These are Motorola's latest foldable smartphones, and they're packed with some impressive features. Moto Razr 40 Ultra. The Moto Razr 40 Ultra is the more premium of the two devices. It has a large 6.9-inch internal display with a 165Hz refresh rate, and a smaller 3.6-inch external display with a 144Hz refresh rate. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, and it has 8GB or 12GB of RAM and 256GB or 512GB of storage. The Razr 40 Ultra also has a triple-lens rear camera system, a 12MP front-facing camera, and a 3800 mAh battery with 33W fast charging support. Moto Razr 40. The Moto Razr 40 is a more affordable option, but it still has some great features. It has a 6.9-inch internal display with a 144Hz refresh rate, and a smaller 1.47-inch external display with a 60Hz refresh rate. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor, and it has 8GB or 12GB of RAM and 128GB or 256GB of storage. The Razr 40 also has a dual-lens rear camera system, a 32MP front-facing camera, and a 4200 mAh battery with 33W fast charging support. Conclusion. So, those are the Moto Razr 40 Ultra and Razr 40. They're both great foldable smartphones with a lot to offer. If you're looking for a high-end foldable phone, the Razr 40 Ultra is a great option. If you're looking for a more affordable foldable phone, the Razr 40 is a great choice. Thanks for watching.